So hunting for carry in a low vol world. In low vol environments, it doesn't feel good to sell gamma psychologically because implied vols are at the bottom of the range, and because vol is a bit of a mean reverting asset, you don't feel like it's a smart trade to sell it at the lows. However, if markets remain range bound like they've been for months, then earning theta is normally the right trade. Whereas buying options is a recipe for losing money. Now, we use our vol dashboard to help flag where the positive carry opportunities are showing up. And then we use our own discretion to determine if we've got confidence that a market is kind of likely to stay in a range for 2 to 4 weeks, then it gives us the appetite to put on some sort of carry position. Now, ARK is a good example here of one of these candidates. It got to the top of the range where it was threatening to break out. And if it broke out, we saw it could charge easily another 10% pretty quickly. However, that breakout was rejected from that previous resistance zone. And now we are back right in the middle of the range that we've been in for about 6 weeks. So now we think ARK's actually a prime candidate to stay relatively range bound here. And then if we look at our vol dashboard, it kind of shows us that the carry is positive in ARK as well.